I will reduce costs right from the way of propagating seedlings for you. To have good seedlings, I take advantage of suitable nursery pots and propagate by young shoots of mature plants. Strawberries are very good for human health, rich in antioxidants, protect cardiovascular health, stabilize blood sugar, support detoxification, digestive system, and can beautify the skin. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. After adding soil to the nursery pot, I use plastic or iron pins to pin the young shoots of the mature plant into the permanent nursery pot. Strawberries are easy to grow and propagate, so we can save a lot of money, from pots to seedlings. With simple methods, we will have healthy seedlings to plant. Honey is very beneficial for agricultural production, especially for short-term crops. After germinating strawberry sprouts, I use honey, applying a small amount to each sprout. Honey has many uses in plant care, including stimulating root growth, increasing resistance, and helping to heal plant wounds. In particular, honey can be used to stimulate root growth, helping plants grow healthily and increase their ability to absorb nutrients. Don't forget to water the strawberries and leave them in a cool place with enough light for photosynthesis so that the plants can grow best. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I use discarded plastic cans to grow strawberries, using a knife to make 2 points on the top of the can on both sides. Plant 2 strawberry plants symmetrically. I used a heat gun to make drainage holes in the plastic can to avoid waterlogging when growing strawberries. To facilitate easy watering without erosion affecting the growth of the tree, I use plastic bottles connected to the water pipe. I cut the bottom off the bottle to make it easier to pour the water in and used a heat gun to punch a hole in the bottle cap and attached it to a hot glue string. To avoid environmental pollution, as well as affecting family health, I use worm castings, which are highly antibacterial and environmentally friendly, mixed into the soil to grow strawberries. Do you see how great this idea is? Just by using discarded items around, I can easily grow strawberries. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Once the strawberry sprouts have developed healthy roots and shoots, I will begin planting them in plastic containers. With this automatic watering system, we can water easily without eroding the roots, affecting young plants, and the plants are not waterlogged. After only 1 month, the strawberry plant has grown and bloomed. Now I will take care of it. Help the strawberry plant have enough energy to bloom and bear fruit. Garlic is great for fruit tree care. It stimulates flowering and fruiting. Garlic also helps prevent pests, kill mold, and repel insects. I use garlic mixed with water and spray evenly on the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. It's amazing, after 2 months of growing on the balcony, now I can harvest and give my relatives a lot of ripe strawberries. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.